Hello, you wonderful people. Let's finish off Loony Lips. We're going to learn how to export. So nice and easy. I'm going to go back in here, and before I get started, I'm actually going to make a decision. I've now got two competing scripts going on, right? So I've got my JSON solution and I've got my storybook, and they're both live. So I'm going to get rid of one of these. I'm going to delete my JSON completely. I've made the decision I want a node-based solution. If you didn't, then you would delete the other stuff. So going to uncomment these. I don't need this template one, and I don't need this get from JSON function at all. All right, let's just double check that I haven't broken anything. So I'm going to go in here, see if the game runs. Can I have a name? Bob. A noun? Pencil. An adverb? Bobbly. And an adjective? Bob-like. Once upon a time, someone called Bob ate a pencil-flavored sandwich, which made him feel all bobbly inside. It was a Bob-like day. Great. Now, I've also noticed that I haven't actually got all 8 of my stories, but that's okay. For now, I'm just going to have my 3 here. So the downside of using my node-based system is it takes longer to get the stuff in here, but the advantage is it's all in one place and I can see it. One more thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go into this resources folder and open the file manager, because I don't actually need storybook.json, so I could delete it. So I'm just going to cut mine and put it on my desktop so that I can find it again if I need it for some reason in a later video. Awesome. Okay, so how do we export our project? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to project and hit export. And you'll see here, there's nothing selected. I haven't downloaded anything. So what I need is to add a preset. So I'm going to add a preset. I can export for Android, iOS, HTML, Mac OS, Windows Desktop, and Linux. I'm running this on a Windows desktop. My laptop is Linux, but I want a Windows executable. So I'm going to hit Windows. And you'll see here, I don't have one. I can't get it. So I can press this little link here, Manage Export Templates, and it'll automatically link to what I need. I'm currently using 3.1 beta 5. 3.1 isn't live at the time that I'm recording this. So I can hit download. I hit download and it'll select a mirror. Where do you want to get it from? I want to get it from here. And then I can just wait for it to download. So I'll probably just fast forward this bit so you don't have to watch it. Okay, so it took about 5 minutes, maybe less. And now it's there. I can just close this window. It's ready to go. Now I go to project. And we go to export again, and now Windows executable is here. I've got a bunch of options I could use. I could put a path on it, but it should all be good to go. So all I need to do at this point is just go export project. Okay, so it's going to say, what do I want to call it? I want to call it Loony Lips exe. I'm going to put it in the Loony Lips folder. I'm going to save it. And that was it. It's exported. Has it exported? Let's find out. Has it exported? Let's find out. Go back to my file manager. And here I've got loonylips.exe, and I can double click that, and there's my game. May I have a thing, please? Happy Yan. A name, Yan in caps. An adjective, Yanful. A thing, Yan's excitement. Once there was a happy Yan called Yan that lived as Yanful as Yan's excitement. Actually, that story works quite well. Okay, so we've now managed to export the game as an exe, and all you have to do is take the exe and this package file, they should be in the same folder, and put them somewhere. So I can put them on my desktop folder, paste it there, and I can run it here, and the same thing will happen, right? It'll run just fine. So when you're exporting it as a Windows file, remember that the package file has to be with the exe. Apart from that, that's that bit done. So what have we learned from Loony Lips? Just a handful of things that we've learned. Variables, functions, arrays, dictionaries, GUI elements, signals, randomization, and counting and getting child nodes. We've also talked about some other stuff in there. The most essential things we've looked at are variables, functions, and conditions, right? With these 3 things, you can accomplish pretty much anything. There are more efficient ways of doing things, more elegant ways of doing things, but that's the basics of modern programming. So, excellent work. I hope you've really enjoyed this section. I've really enjoyed teaching it, and I'm looking forward to the next one. So, I'll see you in the next section.